In this video, we will show you how to create Google Drive link. To share your link using Google Drive, first you can right click on the folder or files, or you can just using this more action button and select share and copy the link. When you copy the link directly like this, the people that have your link cannot access your file or folder. They are require the access so you can accept or not. But if you want to share into the public your file or your folder on the Google Drive, just right click and select share here. And you can manage the access restricted, or you can select anyone with link like this. Okay. You can just copy the link after that. Then the link will become accessible for public. So everyone can access your file or folder. But if you want just you are the owner or you are just can access the link, just select restricted like this. And you can copy and share the link. Then people will require the permission to access your file or folder on the Google Drive. Okay, that's all tutorial how to create a link in Google Drive. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below and thanks for watching.